Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a step-by-step journey to the perfect perm rod set. So let's go. For the first section, I went in this triangle shape. You can also go for a normal rectangle. Doesn't really matter. I've done both before and I don't really see a difference in the end result. So yeah, I used the Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse, and I love using this one because it keeps my hair soft but still gives me enough hold at the same time. And I used 2 pumps first and just applied it onto the section, making sure my hair was fully saturated in product but not soaking wet, because that defeats the whole purpose of starting on a blown out hair. And I did this on blown out hair because this will cut down on your drying time so much later on. So that's actually step 1. Now I made sure my hair was detangled and smooth. Then I just did a normal flat twist on the top part of my hair. And I like doing it this way rather than twisting the perm rod all the way to the top of my head. I feel like this helps with keeping my hair a bit more stretched out and not so tight to my head, if you get what I mean. But again, I've done it both ways and it came out cute, but I had a lot of shrinkage, so that's why I go for the half twist, half perm rod. Now when it comes to the perm rod, I take the 2 parts of the twist and clip one up for now just to get it out of the way. I used a little bit of Eco Styler gel, the argan oil one, just to give me some extra hold for the perm rod curls. And I made sure to secure the ends of my hair really smoothly onto the rod first. Then I wrap like 2 times, twist 2 or 3 times, and wrap again until I reach the top of the section. And then all that's left to do is secure the little rubber band on the perm rod to make sure it doesn't move. I'm gonna show it a few more times before speeding it up, so watch closely. It's way easier to watch than to explain what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue this process until I finish and then I will be back.
When they call her working on the bachelor, I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. I don't know you're nice like this. Do you try on all your nice like this? Put some spotlight on the style, oh yeah. Whatever comes too clear. Do you slide on all your nice like this? Do you try on all your nice like this? Put some spotlight on the
Now when it comes to the back of my head, I like to split it into like levels, I guess. You can also make it one long flat twist all the way down, but from my experience that gives me flat roots in the back and I don't like that. So this is how I like to do it.
Watch you turn yourself to a made man. All the little things that made you. You can count the ways that I stay down. Can't nobody tell me I ain't true. Take a little time from the wild out. You can slow the time down with me, babe. With me, babe. All I want you to know is I care. You best believe I care. Yeah, I said don't wanna be out there. No way, don't wanna be right here. Like no way. So when I'm here, I make you wanna care.
So I sat with my blow dryer for like 2.5 hours almost, did some laundry, played some games, and before I knew it, almost 3 hours passed. So with perm rods, you want to make sure your hair is completely dry before taking them down. If you do it too fast and your hair is still wet, it will get frizzy and you will not get the results you're looking for. So be patient and take your time drying your hair.
Taking time away from the bullshit, just be on some cool shit with me, babe. With me, babe. All I want you to know, I'm here. If no one else, I'm here. Right here, I'm never scared, no fear. No way, when you're with me, you're safe. Always, so let it fade, just go ahead and give all that shit up.
Now, as you can see, I still took my blow dryer after taking the perm rods out just to make sure my hair was 100% dry before splitting the twists. I coated my hands in some argan oil to eliminate unnecessary frizz while taking the twist down, and then I just started doing exactly that. Now you want to be careful when it comes to this part and don't rush, be gentle and just split the twist in the parts that are already there. This part is pretty self-explanatory, so just watch what I'm doing.
Turning up and down and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good. Damn, I know you're mine, you know it too. Fine, I might be wrong, but I don't care. I judge in my own, just spin on there, waiting for you to come here and be underrating. Ride my wave, ride my wave, would you ride my vibe? Cause I've been giving you my time. And I make iced tea and I make it where you love. Yeah, thousand all, I be the one you run to. And I be for you and no one else. Tell me what you want, I be going in, trying to find a list. And I make iced tea and I make
used my blow dryer to stretch out the roots a bit, and then I just took my pick for some extra volume. As always, if you've been watching my videos, you know I cannot do any hairstyle without some volume. That's just me. This was the end result. I loved how this set came out. My hair was super fluffy and light. The curls were bouncy, shiny, and just everything I was looking for. So yeah, love it. And I'm gonna show you guys in a bit how I go to sleep with my hair like this. That's also the same way I do it when I have my hair in a wash and go or any hairstyle actually. So keep watching if you want to see that. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Then I made it mess up my mind, and I made it make it free up the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your